92 FM. This is Billy Haas, FM in stereo.
It's a midnight run. We go into the rear of the warehouse on the north side, grab the stingers and ordnance before anyone knows we were there.
Sounds too easy.
That's because it is. Security?
There's one guard on shift. Armed. 6 security cameras covering inside and out.
Sounds like a 40-year stretch. We're lucky.
How are we supposed to get in undetected?
We don't. There's no way to cut the camera feed. We take out the guard and we go in heavy. By the time the security company realizes the guard hasn't checked in, we'll be gone. No trace.
I don't know what's in there.
This warehouse usually stores mainly irrigation equipment and tractor parts, farm shit. But the week before Christmas, the Redstone Army base in Halton going to be transferring a ton of military hardware and storing it at this warehouse.
Pretty unusual for military to be using civilian warehousing. How do you know that?
Because I've been working my ass to the bone in there for 3 years. I've been eating shit for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I have the manifest. Stingers, M16s, light machine guns, rocket launchers. It's gonna be a goddamn Christmas miracle.
Frank, we're gonna need a van, something big enough to haul everything. And we're gonna need weapons. Small arms, short barrel type stuff. Things go south and we get boxed in, we might have to shoot our way out.
Consider it done. Where's the money coming from?
Wes Chapman set it up.
Chappie. Haven't heard that name since the war. How much is he in for?
Nothing, he's dead. Shot himself 2 months ago. Couldn't shake the bug. He's a good man. Good Marine.
Guess Chappie figured it was easier to eat his sidearm.
Before he checked out, Chappie put me in touch with an Arab named Amir. He's looking for particulars.
We're doing business with terrorists.
The last I checked, it was still a free country. Go on. Once we leave the warehouse, we head west to an abandoned construction site just outside of Northfield. Arabs will be there at 1600. What's the cut? 2.2 million. 500 grand each. Our getaway's 100,000. It's 25 grand up front. Bennett Myers is flying us out. We leave in at St. Andrews Air Base. From there, the C-130 takes us south across the border into Panama. Any more questions? Let's get to work.
Private property. You can't be here. Move this piece of shit now, or I'll have someone move it for you. You hard of hearing, asshole? Jesus Christ. Skip, we got a couple.
Hey, Miller, suck on this.
Adios, amigo.
Move!
security company's been notified. 3 minutes for that call to come into county, 6 minutes for them to get here. That gives us 8 minutes to get the fuck out of here.
Hurry up, let's go, let's go.
Get us out of here.
The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning tonight. Threatens across the Lone Star State. Freezing rain from Texas to Ohio, straining power grids all the way from Texas into the Midwest. Snow-covered roads, low visibility. We're looking at heavy snow again, stretching all the way from Texas.
You hear that?
to Missouri today. Anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of
Huh?
snow, 2 to 4 in Oklahoma City, 6 to 10 in Kansas City, and we're looking at 1 to 2 in Amarillo, Texas.
You must have heard that.
Then for tomorrow, this big system moves slowly, and that's the problem. Heavy rain from Birmingham to New York City, power outages, and very difficult travel. Ice melts up to half an inch and heavy snow.
Flight leaves 0600. Once we offload the Stingers, we'll be home free.
One of them.
The money's in the truck. All we have to do is get it. We can buy our way out of the country.
God damn it, Reardon. We're on the same team. And that thing is still out there.
Maybe it's already in here.
Drop the gun, Chuck. That's an order.
You can take your orders and shove them up your ass. You're dead. Might as well accept it. It's coming.
We're gonna have to put him down. He's compromised the whole operation.
This operation's already compromised.
Chuck, where are you?
Chuck, come in. Where's the money?
Chuck, answer me, goddammit.
You better be in here. Garage.
You found him?
Oh, I found him already.
Son of a bitch has locked himself in the tool room.
And he has the dynamite.
Fuck!
We gave our lives to the military. We should have never turned our backs on them. You can't fight the military. They're the strongest group of fighters the world has ever seen. Look what they made. How do you fight that?
We're soldiers. We follow orders. Open the door.
Not a chance. You're one of them. I noticed earlier. You move like it. You talk like it. Who sent you?
No one sent us. Now open the fucking door. You can stay in there all night for all I care. We just want the dynamite. And the money.
Money?
We're unarmed. Come on out, and we can talk about this.
Talk is over. I've heard enough. Pretty soon they'll be sending these things all over the place to do the government's dirty work.
You call yourselves soldiers?
You're traitors. I'm a Marine. No one is taking Sergeant Chuck Ridden alive.